Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a custom My Little Pony that looks like Anna from Frozen. But first, let's take a peek at all the great custom ponies we've made so far. First, cut off all the pony's hair and remove the eyes and cutie mark with acetone or nail polish remover. Next, we'll make Anna's dress by rolling out a flat piece of clay and cutting it into long, thin strips. Then place the strips on the pony's back. You can cut them down to the size you want as you go, and make sure to leave a space between them. Then add another layer of strips on top to cover up the gaps. After everything's dry, we'll smooth out the edges by adding clay in the crevices. This helps make the skirt look more natural. For the top of the dress, press 2 ball shapes to the front of the pony to form the heart-shaped neckline. Then add clay to the bottom and sides. For Anna's hair, we'll use pieces of clay to cover up the remaining hair on the pony. We'll use 2 small pieces of clay in front for the bangs, and we'll give her a round bun on top. Anna also has a really cool braid in her hair on Coronation Day, so we'll braid 3 long strings of clay together and place them on top of the pony's head. Then add more clay to blend it in. After it dried, I thought she needed just a little more hair, so I added more clay to the top and to her bangs. Then I used a sculpting tool to make marks in the clay to look like hair. cut out some pieces for even more detail. Next, we'll add 3 ribbons in the back. And now it's time to paint. We'll paint Anna's hair orange. We'll use a light flesh tone for her face and legs. And we'll paint the front of her dress black. For her skirt, we'll paint the inner grooves dark green. The top strips a sage color. Then we'll paint a thick line of bright green on top of the sage. Down each green stripe, we'll add red dots. Then green lines on each side. Then more red dots in between the existing red dots. Pink dots on every other red dot. Boy, that's a lot of dots. Small yellow lines on each side of the red dot. And blue lines between every yellow line. To highlight Anna's hair, we'll dip our brush into a lighter orange and yellow paint, blot the brush on some scrap paperboard, and brush on the highlights. We'll outline the front of the dress in antique gold paint. Add a pink oval in the middle. Add some green leaves. And some more decorations in pink, teal, and purple. We'll paint Anna's hair ribbons dark green and medium green. And give her dark green shoes. We'll use white paint to draw on eyes at the eye indents. Outline them in black and give her some eyelashes. We'll give her blue eyes. And black pupils. And we'll use light pink for her lips. Anna's freckles, we'll use a light orange tan color and make tiny dots on her cheeks and nose. Then we'll cover it with a layer of light flesh color so it's not so bright. Then we'll add 2 round dots in each eye for highlights, and that's it! Now we have a custom Anna My Little Pony. Okay guys, that's all for now. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, make sure to comment and like this video, and I'll see you next time.